Hey YouTube, what's up? Hey, I'm just here to show you a very quick how to edit for your TikTok videos and or YouTube shorts. We're gonna get right into it, no problems whatsoever. Quick, straight from your desktop screen. This is for Premiere Pro, so if you do have Premiere Pro, this is for you. You're going to open Premiere Pro, get it up and loaded in here. When it comes here, you're gonna select New Project. Title it whatever you want. I'm gonna title it YouTube Shorts. Okay. Title it. The rest of the stuff can stay the way it is. Whatever. The first thing you want to do is upload your content. So whatever type of clip you want to upload. So let's see. Let's just select one of my random clips here that I like. Let's go with the Star Wars clip. Boom. I'm gonna put our clips in here. Okay. And you're going to drag them down here. That creates us our area where we're going to edit, of course. So first and foremost, after you have your content in, come up to the Sequence tab. Click on it. Go to Sequence Settings. Right here, this is where you're going to change so you can get your vertical format, so that you can get that mobile format when they're scrolling through TikTok or the YouTube Shorts. So what we're going to do is change this to 1080 by 1920. 1080 by 1920. That's going to give us that vertical format that we want. The rest of these things, you can go through and check them and change them if you want. Personally, I don't change anything whatsoever. Still turns out pretty well. You're more than welcome to play around with them if you want to. I suggest the default. Default works pretty well. So you're going to hit OK. It's going to say change all files, blah, blah, blah. You're going to hit OK. Okay, so this now gives us our vertical format, as you can see. But if we do this now, how can I get two videos? How can I get my camera on top and my video to play underneath? A lot of people have this problem. Well, it's really easy, guys. Just click and drag another one. Just have two copies, okay? You're gonna have two copies. One lays under the other one lays up on top. So now you have your videos here. They're in your player. We're gonna go over to Effects. Click on whichever one you want. I suggest the bottom video because they are layered, as you can see. Layer 1, Layer 2 here. I always select the bottom one as my camera because it'll be underneath the gameplay. So that's what I do. So you're going to come here, select whatever video you want. Come over to your position area. And your far right position here will move your video up or down on your screen. As you guys can see. Up or down. So, because this is going to be my camera, I'm going to move it up to the top. Then we're going to position it over where I believe the camera will want to sit, usually around the center area. And then, of course, we change the scale size as well, because we want to blow it up so that we can see my camera. So I'm going to blow it up to about 500. This is usually a good basis for most webcams. And then we're going to scroll over till we see my webcam. Oh, look, there's my camera. Nice. Nice. Okay. So we're here. I can probably scale this down a little bit here. So we're going to scale her down just a hair here, probably 440. And then we're going to scoot them back over, position them where they need to be. And then we'll bring them back down. And just like that, we have our camera on the top of our video. So same process for your middle one, whatever you want to do for your actual gameplay. Same thing, bring it down to wherever you feel it needs to be, position it. I usually leave the left-hand positioning for the gameplay where it's at because it's usually center screen. You're able to change this again, tweak it however you need, but I usually leave it where it's at for center screen placement. And then all we do is blow it up so that it blows the camera up, gets my other camera out of the way. Probably go about 195. Sure. And then let's just move her down. Let's get about that much of the gameplay in there and that much of my camera. Kind of position however you feel you want them. And then, then we play it. And if it turns out how you like, if it looks like that's kind of how you want it, if that's how you want it to lay out and it looks like it's all there, then you're good to go. So then you come over to your endpoint. Make sure you mark your endpoint here. Come over to your end. Mark your endpoint. want to save your video with Control S. Personally, I always save my videos just because you never know if you're going to need it or not. So I always save, and then we export. So you're going to hit Control M. And this is the important part, the exporting part of getting this, because if you export normal standard videos or match sources or anything like that, you'll still get, you will still get that widescreen, blank spots, black borders, and all that on there. We want it to just be this vertical thing that we see right here on screen. So what you want to do, you're going to come into your presets. So I went to YouTube, where is it? YouTube 1080. This is what I had done. Okay, step by step, this is how you're going to export it. You're going to come here to YouTube 1080 Full HD. You're going to hit Match Source. That's going to turn it into a custom. So then you can save this for more shorts, TikToks, edits, however you want to do it. Match Source. I always maximum render quality just to get it through. Make sure you don't forget to title it. I'm going to title this Star Wars. Star Wars Karma. Star Wars Karma. And then you save it, okay? Make sure you're using your maximum render quality. I never worry about any of this kind of stuff. It's never anything I have to worry about. It all kind of runs automatically on its own. That's the only major one you want to make sure you push is Match Source, okay? So, once again, down to YouTube 1080 Full P, Full HD, Match Source, okay? That creates it, that keeps it. And you just hit export. It's going to export your shorts for your TikToks or for your YouTube shorts, and you've got it edited, ready to grow. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial on how to edit your TikTok and or YouTube shorts in Premiere Pro. Much love, guys. We'll see you next time.